Welcome. In today's quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to disable the Get Notifications within Discord feature updated for the latest version of the app. If you've been getting pop-ups and alerts while using Discord and want to make things quieter, this method will help it turn them off completely. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner of the app, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap it to open your account settings. Next, find and tap on the settings icon. This will open up a list of all your Discord preferences where you can customize how the app works for you. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the option labeled Notifications. It's usually grouped with other privacy and user experience settings. Once you're inside the notification section, look for the toggle that says Get Notifications within Discord. By default, it's turned on, which is why you keep seeing message pop-ups or activity alerts while browsing channels or chatting with friends. To disable those, simply tap the switch next to Get Notifications within Discord. When the toggle turns gray or slides to the left, it means the feature has been turned off successfully. From now on, you won't receive those in-app alerts anymore. Your Discord experience will be a lot cleaner and less distracting. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this menu and turn the toggle back on just as easily. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable Get Notifications within Discord in just a few simple steps.